Alright guys, here's the Aqqa vacuum pump in action. Now guys, it is fully customizable based off of your tank setup. They do have different elbow bends, they have different sizing. You can basically piece together the exact setup that you need. I love the little clip that they have you can put on the side of the bucket to make sure that your hose is actually feeding into the bucket. And as you can see, you're going to pump the actual hand pump and it's going to start siphoning the water. No need to siphon it yourself through your mouth or through, other ways of siphoning. You can just hand pump it a few times and then it'll get going, it'll get started. Now this is a pretty dirty tank overall. It is a brand new tank, so bear with me as I clean it. And I love how even with the finer sand, it doesn't pull through most of it. So there's a head on the end of the vacuum that filters out most of anything that could go through it. And only the tiniest of particles will actually fit through there, like the waste particles. So overall, would highly recommend. Grab this off of Amazon and be sure to give your water to your houseplants.